What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, y'all? Welcome. I'm your girl, TonyaNicole. And boo, you have clicked into my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, we have the box by fashionsta. Y'all, I saw 2 spoilers on this box, and I am so excited to see what they have in here to go with the 2 spoilers I saw. So if you guys want to see what's in September's The Box, baby, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're getting a box or nah. All right, loves, welcome. I'm your hostess with the mostest, TonyaNicole, and this is going to be a quick little unboxing, y'all, because I'm kind of tired, and today I'm filming this on a Sunday, I think, and y'all, it's like another little hurricane is passing. The wind is blowing, it's raining so hard, and y'all, I'm a little nervous. What is going on with this weather? Before we get started, guys, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from Wednesday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl early. Y'all know I appreciate y'all, right? Absolutely. We still got this same Tide Moscato. We're going to take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh, we got some unboxing to do. So let's get on to some specs and unbox this baby. So for all of my people that may not know, that lives like in the woods or the forest somewhere, this is the box by fashionsta. This box is $24.99 every month plus free shipping. This is a beauty subscription. You are supposed to get 5 to 7 makeup, skincare, or other self-care products in this box with a value of at least $100 to $150. This is a charitable box, guys, that always gives back. And I am excited to see what's in this box because this month they did like a travel around the world and they got some products from Africa, Italy, I saw. So I'm very excited for this. So without further ado, let's get this box on and popping, boo. I did not open her yet, guys. So I got the box cutter. Let's slide her on open. Ooh, okay, so that's what it looks like, guys, when we open her up. We do get a card every month, and this is the front. This is what the back looks like. It does provide us with prices, and I'm going to put them all down on the screen for you guys. And it says, September, we unite as one global beauty community. I love it. It says, we welcome you to the Borderless Beauty. This month, we are celebrating and exploring the beauty of our planet as one global beauty community. Included in this box, we have 7 incredibly made with love products from Uganda, Ethiopia, Germany, France, Australia, India, and Italy. We are uniting as one for a loving September to remember. Are you ready? Boo, I'm ready. Let's explore our beautiful globe together. Y'all, babe, y'all know I'm all about unity. I don't like all that separation and division stuff. That's just whack, right? Yes. So, she looked like this. Ooh, let me open her up. Y'all see what she got in there? Ah! Okay, let me calm down and let me get my TonyaNicole unboxing face on. I'm tired of having fun with y'all. Up first, guys, I am seeing from MCO Beauty, and this is the Ultra Curl 4-in-1 Gloss Mascara. Right there we have it. And this says it's volumizing, it's long lasting, no flake, no smudge, and it's 4-in-1, lengthening, volumizing, curling, and it's waterproof. And we have the shade black. I will not open this, guys, because y'all know I have a lot of mascaras that I'm going through right now, but this is from Australia. Wow, okay. This is a 4-in-1 gloss mascara. Did I say that right? Yeah. This is a multitasking mascara that perfectly separates, lifts, and enhances lashes from root to tip with a high gloss finish. With a special wand that grips even the shortest lashes, Now, y'all know I'm a part of the itty bitty lash committee, so I got to test this out. Grips even the shortest lashes with an advanced lash lifting formula. It's cruelty free, and this is 22 bucks, guys. Cool. So I won't open this, but I'm very excited to receive this from Australia and try it out on my lashes. Ooh. Next product is from Nourish Mantria. I will put it across the screen just in case I mispronounced it. And this is a Moroccan lava clay cleanser. There we go right here, guys. That is what the box looks like. And in here you get 2.36 fluid ounces of product. I'm gonna take it out. Ooh, look at the bottle, guys. It's gorgeous. And let's see what it says on here. Let me read from the card. This is from India, guys, and this is a Moroccan lava clay cleanser. Cool, it costs $18. It's made in India, an exotic clay blend with skin refining ingredients whipped into a buttery, soft base. This cleanser is part indulgence and part fun. It absorbs excess oils and removes pollution particles, deep-seated impurities, and dead skin cells. Ooh, girl, this got a lot of claims, huh? Yes. So it's going to leave your skin clean, fresh, and flawless. It's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben, and sulfate-free. And this is what it looks like, guys. And this is $18. And this is something that I am really excited to try out and see. It does not have a safety seal, so I am going to squirt a little bit of it out. Let me put it on this hand. I'm always looking for a cleanser. It doesn't really have a scent. That's what it looks like, my loves. And when we blend it on, ooh, it's thick though. Ooh, yeah, she thick. She is thickaroo. Okay, so it kind of smells like car wash stuff a little bit. If y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm just, y'all, I don't know. And I am excited to try this out. I always need a good cleanser. Next product is from Even. What is this? Oh, We Makeup, made in Italy again. Let's see what this is. So this is the We Makeup liquid lipstick and pencil. Oh, okay. Oh, now I'm gonna tell y'all, I did see the spoiler for this, and I'm gonna put the picture somewhere here or somewhere over here, but they had this shade here, which is Milos Mulberry right there, or they had this beautiful brown shade, and y'all know I wanted that brown shade, but we got Mulberry, so we're gonna test it out and see. But I did see the spoiler for this, guys, and I was hoping for that brown one. So this is a highly pigmented and long-lasting lip pencil and lipstick for effortless makeup looks from Italy. It is enriched with coconut oil, vitamin E, gamma something, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, and spiracle silica. For endless comfortable wear, it's vegan and cruelty-free, and these retail for $27.50. I just want to say, though, I love the packaging. It is absolutely gorgeous. So let's open the pencil first, see what she looking like. Oh, okay, it's very cute. This is the shade Selena Rose. This is what the pencil looks like. We take it off, and that's what it looks like right there. I'm not going to swatch this, guys, because this is a little bit too rosy, peachy for me. So I'll probably be putting this in a giveaway, but it is a beautiful color. And let's check out the lipstick. Ooh, I love the packaging, y'all. All right. Ooh, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, my goodness. I mean, girl. And this is the lipstick. Ooh, I think... Y'all, I think she'll hook a red. Look, I think she, let me swatch and see first before I get excited. She is. Oh my God. Okay, so y'all know we got to put this on, right? Yeah. Girl, she red. Oh, yes. Ooh, okay. Ooh, girl, she popping, huh? Better lips is popping. It is very comfortable. It went on really nice and really pigmented. Look at that. Girl, what y'all think? Ooh, girl. Baby, I'm ready for the corner, huh? Oh, I think that was inappropriate. Yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. But I do like this color. I'm loving this red. It's so vibrant. This will go great with a variety of skin tones, guys. Ooh, if you did get the brown shade, let me know and send me a picture on Instagram so I can see how I look on you. Or this one. And these, I told you guys, retail for $27.50. Ooh. Our next product is from, ooh, let me see, y'all. It says Terry, oh, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm just going to put it right here. I don't want to mess up the name. And this is made in France. And this is a nourishing shampoo. Okay, this is a big bottle, don't y'all think? And we get 5.07 fluid ounces of product in this right here. I will put the name of this product down below, guys. I just don't want to butcher the name. But this is a shampoo, and it regenerates, moisturizes, repairs. This organic, nutrient-rich shampoo from France is formulated with coffee extract. Oh, rosemary leaves, aloe vera, and almond protein, leaving your hair soft, silky. It's clean, refreshing. It allows your hair to regain its radiance and suppleness. It's great for all hair types. And I told you guys it's vegan and cruelty free. And this, guys, retails for 22 buckaroos. I'm very excited to try these out on my wigs. It does not have a safety seal right there, but I don't know what I smell. I don't smell coffee though. Ooh. Okay, so a lot came out. I don't smell coffee. But look at it. This is on top of the cleanser. Girl, I'm just a mess. So I really don't know what I smell because I still kind of smell the cleanser, but it doesn't have a strong fragrance at all. Maybe a hint of rosemary, but it does feel really good. I am excited to try this on my natural hair as well as on my wigs to see how it works. Okay, I'm excited for that. Y'all know normally I don't like no hair products, but I am gonna actually give this a try and let you guys know. I'm sorry for that little glare, y'all. 2 more products. Next up, oh, this one is open. This is from 54 Thrones. This is a butter. This is an African butter. Let's see what this is about. So it says this is a Ugandan vanilla and Ethiopian honey beauty butter. Okay, let me take it out of here. Ooh, look at that packaging. Oh my God. Girl, this is beautiful. And you get 1.7 ounces of product in here. It is gorgeous. Okay, let me read about it first before I go sniffing. This is 54 Thrones Ugandan vanilla and Ethiopian honey beauty butter. Fusing the depth of West Africa with the allure of East Africa, this majestic blend of Ugandan and Ghana shea butter sets. I'm sorry. The foundation for a luxurious, creamy, and silky smooth African body butter can be used on your face or your body. It's handcrafted, paraben and sulfate free, cruelty free, GMO free, and toxin free. Okay, cool. And this retails, guys, for $24. And let me take a little bit out. It's a body butter. Oh, wait. It's kind of hard to come out. Does it have like a seal? No. Oh, wait. Okay, does it have a seal? Oh, God, this is hard to, I'm trying to squeeze it out, y'all, but it's not coming out. All right, I'm gonna take this little paper clip here and see if I can open it. Okay, so, and I guess because it is handmade butter, it is a lot thicker. Oh, there we go. I just need to punch a little hole on the top. Okay, let's put it over here. Ooh, that's what it looks like, guys. Okay, let me put the top on. Let's rub this baby out. Ooh. Oh my God. Now, y'all. Oh, and it smells like vanilla. Oh my. It smells like vanilla beans. Oh, look at that. Look at how beautiful that made my skin look. It is very, very, very hydrating, very silky on the skin. Look at that. Look at that glisten. Oh, and the smell, y'all, it's like vanilla. Oh my goodness. And this, I told you guys, was $24, and I'm excited to use this when I get out the shower. Ooh, yes. And we have one more product, guys, and it is a palette. I'm excited for a palette. And this is the Zoeva Offline Eyeshadow Palette. And this one is from Germany, guys. Okay, this is what it looks like right here. When we slide this little baby out, it's the same packaging. Oh, wait, is it? Oh, it's called Offline. So that's Offline written out right there. That's come with this little plastic. When we open it, it doesn't have a mirror, but oh my God, y'all, look at this palette. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Now, I know BoxyCharm used to give us a lot of Zoeva's palettes, but I've never received one. So I'm very excited to receive this one and try it out. I love the way the names are like on the side here, if you guys can see, and it's pointing to the shades, and it's 404 contact, on and off. That's just a few of them. Ring, ring, ring. It's very cute. I love, love, love this packaging. That would explain why they do not have a mirror, because they have their names up here. So, boo, we're gonna swatch a couple. What y'all think? Yes, baby. You have some, look like shimmer shades, some matte shades. This purple is Calling My Name. Oh wait, I gotta swipe this. So that's 5 of them. Look at the pigment. Let's swatch them out right there. Ooh, oh yes. Let's see. Oh girl, that's the purple, and oh, that is gorgeous, y'all. That's 1 swipe each, and I have to do this like blue shade right here, girl. Let's see. Let me wipe my hand on my little pants right there. Oh, look at the pigment. Oh my God. Like, girl, like, oh, girl, I'm excited for this. It's very pigmented. That's 1 swipe. I hope this works well on my eyes. Look at that, y'all. Okay, I like this. That with this lipstick, girl, look. And this, guys, retails for 28 bucks. So that was my final product in this month's The Box by Fashionsta. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, we're gonna do a quick recap. I'm gonna do final thoughts. Well, I'm gonna save it for final thoughts. Let's take a drink and let's do a recap. So we received from France this nourishing shampoo here. From Africa, this African body butter. From Italy, this beautiful lipstick and eyeliner combo here. From Australia, this mascara. From India, this clay cleanser. And lastly, from Germany, this Zoeva eyeshadow palette. 6 products for this month. My box total, guys, was $141.50. Final thoughts. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, just based on what they did this month, like uniting us as one with this box, I am blown away. I am so excited, and I know it's gonna be hard for y'all to believe me saying this when we got a shampoo and like what is that, a cleanser? But listen to me. I am so excited to test out these products. You guys have no idea. I really love that they're uniting us as one and giving us a variety of products from around the world. And I would love to see how their products works on all of this melanin skin, which y'all can already see. This lip, boom. The lips is popping, baby. Like, this lipstick is a good hooker red, and I am loving it. I don't even know I have it on. It's so comfortable. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is damn garbage, throw it to the end of the world, to 5 being this box is a bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm giving this box a 5. I enjoyed every single product and look forward to using every product in this box. I love the balance of skin and hair care and makeup. It was a good ratio. We got 3 and 3, and that's what I like. This is products that I can use and enjoy. Oh, I cannot wait to dive in. Look at that butter. Y'all, I am excited. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought. Even if you don't agree with me, I still want to know in the comments what you thought. This is my 2nd month with the box and I'm kind of feeling it. All right, the box. So guys, that is all that I have. y'all don't forget, let me know. I want to talk about this box in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. If you have not done so already, I want you to subscribe to your girl. It's free, boo. Free 99 to subscribe. So y'all need to go on and hit that button. While you're at it, follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter and give this video a big thumbs up. The box, I want to give you a big thumbs up and a cheers because this was a great box and a great thought this month. I love it. So that's all that I have, my loves. Until next time and next video, you guys stay united, stay healthy, stay beautiful and blessed, and I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. I love you guys. Bye.